Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out the best music boxing machine, the Bewolk HJ003, a fun, rhythm-based boxing machine that makes working out at home exciting and effective. Stay tuned for all the details. Let's get started. Product features: Beat synchronization technology. The standout feature of the Bewolk HJ003 is its upgraded beat synchronization technology. The machine lights up in sync with the music, prompting you to strike the lit-up pads on beat. This not only enhances your reaction time and coordination, but also makes workouts much more exciting. You're no longer just exercising, you're training to the rhythm of your favorite songs. Multiple modes and adjustable speeds. With 9 workout modes and 9 different speed levels, this machine adapts to your fitness level, whether you're a beginner or an experienced boxer. Want to build muscle, improve agility, boost cardio? This boxing machine has the versatility to support a wide range of fitness goals. LED display with real-time feedback. An LED screen shows your hit count in real time, letting you track your performance instantly. This visual feedback is super motivating, especially for competitive users who want to push themselves harder each time. Bluetooth connectivity for music playback. The HJ003 supports Bluetooth connection, so you can pair your smartphone and blast your favorite playlist during your workout. With music and lights working together, every session becomes a dynamic, immersive experience. Safe and durable impact surface. Safety is key, and this device delivers. The striking pads are made from high elastic foam, which provides excellent rebound while protecting your hands. It even comes with a pair of gloves, ensuring your hands stay safe during intense sessions. Perfect for at-home workouts. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or simply prefer training in private, this machine turns any space into a personal gym. Save time, stay fit, and skip the gym fees, all from the comfort of your home. Pros: fun, rhythm-based workout experience. 9 modes and 9 speeds for all fitness levels. Real-time LED performance feedback. Bluetooth music syncing. Easy and flexible wall installation. Safe impact surface with included gloves. Great for cardio, coordination, and stress relief. Cons: requires a power source nearby for setup. Not ideal for those without wall space. May not replace heavy-duty boxing equipment for pros. Final thoughts. The Bewolk HJ003 music boxing machine isn't just another fitness gadget. It's a new way to stay motivated and enjoy your workouts. With its music-driven rhythm training, adjustable modes, and user-friendly setup, it's perfect for anyone looking to exercise smarter, not harder. If you want a fun, full-body workout that fits your lifestyle, this is one of the best music boxing machines out there. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more cool gear reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.